Hey, my name's Josh. I'm one of the owners of Rainy Day Restoration and wanted just to take a minute to talk about some of the hail damage that's happened in the area recently this spring season. And some of the things that you might not know about hail damage is that it voids your manufacturer warranty. And so a lot of times people want to just put off replacing their roof because it's not that bad, but hail damage can void the warranty. So you don't want to go without any kind of coverage on your roof. Sometimes you can see damage from the ground if it's been big hail or something like that. But most of the time you need a qualified contractor to look at it and to kind of take a look at things, take pictures for you, and really point out what the issues are. And one of the reasons that hail damage is so bad for a roof is because that hail will puncture the shingle and can actually cause leaks. And so it's a good idea that if you've had hail in the area, to call a qualified contractor to come out and take a look at it and determine if you actually sustain damage on the roof, and then they can walk you through the next steps. We'd love to be the company that does that for you. We've been in business since 1999, and I'm actually third generation. My dad had a roofing company. My granddad had one. He was one of the first roofing company owners in the Dallas area, and so we'd love to be the company to help you out. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know if there's anything we can do to help you out. Have a great day.